The title of our project is Design and Implementation of Wireless Touch Switch Module for Home Automation.
The main scope of the project is to convert the ordinary switch into a automated using a touch panel, and this switch will be very useful for the next generation to reduce their work in the day-to-day life. The project is accepted by all kinds of humans, including the physically challenged, which is more helpful for them, and the cost is low, so they can easily afford them. Maximum of 4 appliances can be controlled using ours, and we use Arduino, an RF transmitter and receiver, so most of the wiring works are reduced, which is more benefited because in day-to-day life we use switches which are more complicated in designing the wiring for them. Appliances are automated using a remote system and can be operated from anywhere from the room. It will be more beneficial for most of the people in their life. We strongly hope that our project will play a major role in the future of modern houses. Thank you. Demo of the project, and this is the transmitter section. It consists of the touch switch and it is connected to the encoder. This encodes the data and transfers the data via the RF transmitter. And we give the power supply using the 9-volt battery, which we convert this into 5V using the regulator, and it is connected and the touch panel. And this is the Arduino software we use to transfer the input data from the transmitter and receive it to control the appliances. This is the receiver section. It consists of the Arduino, and this Arduino is programmed using the software, and the program is already uploaded. And using relay we will control these 4 appliances. And this is the transmitter section. Consists of RF transmitter. This indicates that the signal is transmitted from the receiver section, as I showed before. And this part gives the power supply using 9-volt battery and converting into 5V. And it is consists of encoder, which encodes the data that is received from the transmitter, and it is transmitted through the Arduino. The imported program in the Arduino controls the appliances, and this Arduino is powered by this laptop, and relay is powered using the Arduino. And we are powering the receiver circuit using the battery, which is converting the 9V to 5V. And from the transmitter section, if we give switch 3, and if you see that the transmitted signal is received because the LED indicates that, and the third bulb is on.
This is a block diagram of transmitter section. The 5V supply was given to touch switch, encoder and RF transmitter. The touch switch we are using here is TTP223 and the encoder is HT12E. The encoder data was given to RF transmitter. This is a block diagram of receiver section. Here also we are giving 5V supply. The decoder is HT12E. The decoder data was processed by the control unit, and the process data was helps in controlling the load through the relay module.
Our project has 2 block diagrams. One is for the transmitter section and the other one is for the receiver section. TTP224 is the touchpad used in this project. It offers 4 touch keys. The touching detection IC is designed for replacing the traditional switch with diverse pad size. The switch works using the body capacitance, the property of the human body that gives it great electrical characteristics. The switch keeps charging and discharging its metal exterior to detect changes in the capacitance. When the person touches it, their body increases the capacitance and triggers the switch. HT12E is the encoder used in this project. It is a 2-power 12 series encoder IC, which is widely used in remote control, and it is very common among radio frequency applications. This IC is capable of converting 12-bit parallel data inputs into serial outputs. These bits are classified into 8 address bits and data bits. 433 MHz RF transmitter. The RF module operates at radio frequency. The corresponding frequency range varies between 30 kHz and 300 GHz. In this RF system, the digital data is represented as variations in the amplitude of carrier wave. This kind of modulation is known as amplitude shift key. Receiver section block diagram. RF receiver module is a low power consumption, high sensitivity radio receiver module. It uses internal software decoding and comes with a data decoding circuit. No additional circuit needed to realize signal inputs and data outputs. HT12E decoder simply converts serial data to its input to 12-bit parallel data. Arduino Uno is a microcontroller of our project. It is a microcontroller which is based on the board Atmega 328. It has 20 digital input or output pins, of which 6 can be used as PWM outputs and 6 can be used as analog inputs. 4-channel 5-volt relay module. It is a convenient board which can be used to control high voltage, high current load such as motor, solenoid valves, lamps, AC load. It is used to interface with the microcontrollers such as Arduino, PIC, etc. It has LED to indicate the status of the relay. The Arduino board is programmed using the open source Arduino Integrated Development Environment. The software plays an important role in the project. All the blocks in our project requires constant 5 volt as a power supply.
Application of home automation is managing all your home devices from one place, saving of energy through power management, enhanced productivity and infrastructure aesthetic.
Hardware used in our project are HDP224 touch sensor, HD12E encoder, HD12D decoder, 4-channel 5-volt relay module, 433 MHz RF transmitter and receiver, Arduino UNO board. Software used are Arduino IDE. Team information and role played. We divided our project into 2 parts. One is transmitter part, another one is receiver part. Transmitter part is done by Sivashruti and myself Surender. Receiver part is done by Monisha and Priyanka, which includes all the wiring diagrams, all the wiring connections. Software implementation is done by Monisha.